Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce you to the new Bezdan Stainless fascia mount spigots. It is available in two finishes, stainless steel and black PVD. When you receive this spigot, it is fully assembled, and to install it you will need to remove the mounting plate. First you will need to locate the adjustment screws on the front of the spigot. Remove these screws using a 7/32 Allen key. With the insert removed, you will now have access to the two additional spigot assembly screws. These can be accessed through the holes on the front of the spigot body. Use the same 7/32 Allen key to remove them. After removing all the screws, slide the mounting plate downward to detach it from the spigot body. These fascia mount spigots are made from 2205 stainless alloy, which means that this material is perfect for indoor and outdoor projects, even in the harshest of climates. The mounting plate features 3 holes designed for 3/8 fasteners. You will need to select the fasteners suitable for your project substrate. Once your mounting plate has been secured to the substrate, you can now reattach the spigot body. The adjustable insert has 2 different sides, one with a flat surface and one with a bump. Ensure the bump is facing towards the back of the spigot. The spigot is compatible with glass sizes from 10mm to 13.52mm. The fascia mount spigot uses a pressure fit design. This eliminates the need to drill any holes in the glass. 2 front-facing screws allow for precise tilt adjustment, ensuring easy alignment for glass panels during installation. Thanks for watching.